What it does is briefly, it returns the largest number out of the list. So it's used as a comparison, so you can find out what's the largest number or the brackets. And if I want to choose, for example, like if I say 2, 5, my numbers, and I'll just play that, and it prints the highest number out of the list that I've created, which is 11. So it has 18. Okay, so it will print 18. So out of the list it will print the maximum, the largest number. If I just play this, so it will choose the highest number, which is 9, from the tuple. um, um, I'll just play this, and from my string it chooses the biggest number, which is J. If I have A, D, V in capital letters and G, H, F, J, I in small letters, I'll display that, and you notice that it prints the small letters. Even though the capital letter V is larger than J, it still prints the small letter J. The reason behind this is that in the table, ASCII table, it works, the capital letters and small letters works with decimals. So the small letters are from A to Z, and in if we convert that in decimals, then they go from 97 to 122, and uppercase they go from A to Z, but in terms of decimals they go from 65 to 90. So, keeping that, if we convert these alphabets in decimals, Python works like this. So, the uppercase or the capital letters are from 65 to 90, and the lowercase or small letters are from 97 to 122. 122. So, in that way, it calculates the maximum is calculated in terms of decimal, not in terms of alphabets. That's why small letters or lowercase letters are larger in terms of decimal than the uppercase letters. Okay, and the dictionary brackets. I'll just open that, and then dictionary brackets. For example, if I say 3 and column, and then I'll just write 3 here, and then comma, and it will return the highest item or the number from the dictionary, which is 12. Okay, that's pretty much straightforward. Now I will just play this again, the script, and it will return me to 10. This is the highest from all numbers in the list. D, and some letters that are capital. So I'll say D, J, just to see. It will return T, because small letters, I've explained earlier that small letters are bigger in decimals, so Python calculates the maximum in decimals. So else do, and I will just play that. Okay, I'll just play that, and if you have a look, then it should return D, because if we don't include the key str lower, string lower, because it should return D, because lower cases are bigger in decimal. And we have just said that the key equal to the string lower. So to convert everything into lower, for example, if the string is in lower, then lowercase, then what's the largest? So it has returned F. So it has assumed that F is in lower case, and then it has returned F. Okay, and if I have key of len, okay, and I'll just play this, and it has returned mouse, because Len is the amount of characters in a particular word. So mouse has one, two, three, four, five characters of alphabets. Dog has three, and cat has three. So in terms of that, mouse uh, is the answer because it has the largest characters.